working on our hero game, and I believe the last time I tried streaming and it didn't work too well. But what we did in that stream, that's fine, is the following. I gotta just close out of all this. Say yes and yes. Build, no. View solution, hero.h, and let me just. Is it under view? Can I just like zoom in like this? Yeah, you guys can see it better like that. We added. Whoops, that's not what I want to do. Sorry. We added these two new buttons. So we have buttons for ability 1, ability 2, and ability 3 for now. We'll probably change that later in the future. But I added this code, and I don't think that information was put up on stream, so I just want to point it out there. And what we also did is in our project settings, under input, action mappings, we haven't done it yet, so actually that's good. So we got ability 1, let's do ability 2, and ability 3. I don't know what happened here, but we could take that out. So ability 1 is set on number 1, and we could just do 2 and then 3. Oops. And we can test this under hero, then abilities and data asset, player abilities. How do I press OK? Why is this monitor going to turn off? Okay, whatever. We're good. So we have our abilities. So we have sprint and we have jump. So we can let's make sprint ability 2. And that means when we press 2, we should move faster. So press 2, let go, press 2, let go. Okay, that works. Then let's do the same thing with ability 3. And that works. So I'm pressing 2 right now, I'm pressing 1, I'm pressing shift, I'm pressing jump, and then pressing 3, and we're moving faster. So we know that works. So I kind of want to set up a UMG element, or just a widget that I can put up on screen. When we press home, we can add something onto the screen. So let's go back into our project settings. Input, new one. Let's do, I don't know. What would be the best option? Backspace, probably. No, backspace is not a good idea because we're going to need to use it. Let's do the home key, I suppose. Hero debug menu. Okay. Now we need to go into our code. And I think it's under our player controller. Or just our player. I think it's under our character. Player character. And we have, if I'm not mistaken, we have where we're binding input, yeah. So let's exit out of the debug. Let's make a new function. It could probably be private. We don't need to do anything crazy for it. We'll make it a private function. Void show hero debug. Debug. Doesn't need to have any kind of inputs or anything. That is good. Okay. Now we'll wait for IntelliSense to come into play. It should be like, hey, add this function. Maybe not. There we go. For now, let's just add a log. UE log temp, warning, text, show hero debug. Should be enough there. Then we just gotta bind it. So add a comment, hero debug command home. Then we can do player input component, bind action, I believe. What did I call it? Hero debug? We'll have to double check though. This, then a hero player character to show hero debug. What is wrong? Let's just try to compile it. Okay. Luckily, it's only 13 things to compile. But I guess it's not going to compile correctly because it's giving us a red squiggly line, but we'll see. Maybe it's just Visual Studio being weird. Did it do it? Yeah, it gives me an error, right? Of course. So it expects 5 arguments and only 3 are provided. Is it done? No, it's not even done. I guess in the meantime, let us look up bind action. UE4, bind action, C++. Let's see. Does it give me the code? Okay, that's why. Pressed. No. So we need IE, oh my god, IE pressed. Wrong place. Whoops. Thank you. Now we gotta compile all over again. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Thank you. We're in. So if we press the home button, we should get the UE log. Where is that function? Did we even? Yeah, we did, right? I just want to find that function. Smooth, speed, get jump height, get air control, grant, ability, show debug. Okay, so we're right here. We can go in, project settings, input, action, hero debug menu is what it's called, and I definitely didn't call it that, right? No. So we gotta compile again. This should do it. And all we're going to get is a print. Not going to get any kind of widgets on screen. So home. Oh, it's in the log. Okay, window log, developer tools, output log. Yes, show hero debug. It's at the bottom. So we have those warnings. So blah 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 blah, right? Blah 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 blah. So it's definitely trying to do it. So we know that's working. So now let's make the widget. So yeah, we're like 20 minutes into this, 25 minutes into the stream, and we got nothing accomplished. So don't want to brag, but we're doing awful right now. Hero. Whoops. Do UI. Then debug. Hero debug, we'll say. And then we got user interface, widget blueprint, BP, UI, hero debug menu. Boom. So we'll need two things right now. Let's get text on the screen. And we'll put it right in the middle. Size the content, and then where's the font? Just make it like 60, just so it's huge. And we'll just we'll just say hero debug menu. How do I change the alignment? So 0.5, right? Yeah. Hero debug menu, and then we got close. Whoops, we'll do a button. Linker to the bottom right. And we'll do, what is it? 1.1? Yeah. Size the content, and we'll put a text in there that says close. We'll call this close button. This will just say close. We'll just make them about half the size, and that should be fine. Doesn't have to look pretty, it just has to work. So on clicked, we don't need to do anything like that. Remove from parent. That should be enough. Okay, so now we need to add it to the screen. So I gotta look up how to do that in C++. UE4, C++, and widget to screen. Let's see. Alright, they're showing blueprints. I don't want to do blueprint. That's why I wrote C++. Okay, so we gotta create Okay, so we definitely need to make the variable. So let us get out of the editor and go back into code. We can do it in our character, right? I don't know if that's a big deal or not. Put it private as well. T-sub as a user widget, and we'll call this hero debug widget. And we definitely want this to be a U property. Oops. Edit anywhere, hero debug. So now technically when we compile, if everything's correct, we should have a parameter now in our character. Okay, so wrong. What's wrong? That's weird. Let's try again. Okay, blueprint read only should not be used on private members. Okay. Maybe that's enough. Okay. Do we got it? We might get it. No. Awesome. Unresolved externals? What? Okay. Let's make it protected. I guess we can make it public. Blueprint read only. Can I get that work now, please? Do I need it as a pointer? Guess that's another question for another day. Nope. Awesome. So something in general is wrong with this function or variable. Do I need to initialize it now? I don't think so, but I guess maybe. Under our constructor. So user widget, hero debug menu equals create widget. There's definitely a missing include, I'm sure. Okay, so the documentation is garbage. User widget. Let's see. Definitely need the header, I think. Okay, so that doesn't work. Engine, no. Okay, can we do like, no. Runtime, no. Source, no. Blueprint, no. Oh my god. User widget, no. Oh, that's the header. I just need this include. My bad. Let's see. Whoops. Does that work? Okay. It's still complaining for whichever reason. Can I start over? Like, create widget. So widget type. User widget. So owning object. Can I do get game instance? Okay, and then user widget. Static class. I don't think that means anything. If I'm going to be honest, like this doesn't fix the compile error. But we'll see what happens. It's got to compile 4 things, which means it'll take an hour. Yeah, okay, so it still fails. What's wrong? So let's comment that out. Let's just get back to the original problem, which is in the .h. Unresolved external. Do I need to make it a pointer? I really doubt it. No. Missing 105. I don't know what the hell is going on. What does this code look like? So it's nothing. Okay, so nope. Adding slate widgets to the screen. That's a book, and that doesn't tell me anything. Great. Let's see. Okay, that's nothing. Is there a part that tells me where I can add it? Nope. Okay. So that's garbage. So this is the code, the header file. Well, how are we adding it? Are we not adding it? Oh boy. It's garbage, 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 garbage. So T subclass of user widget. I definitely need to get rid of that. Oh my god. Please go away. Thank you. So he's creating the hood. Doesn't help. Awesome. Okay. So why is adding widgets in C++ so hard? I'm not even doing anything. I'm just trying to make a variable. Let's see. Okay. That doesn't help. So it's player controller. Okay, so new property. Is it because I'm doing T subclass of? Okay, you definitely failed. Okay. But it has to be a T subclass of. I don't understand what's wrong. T subclass of user widget. Do I do any T subclass of anywhere else? We'll definitely have to do class, right? Okay, let's just try class. Whoops. Can we please just not do that? User widget. Hero debug menu. Does that do anything different? Does it compile at least? Probably not. But we'll see. Oh, it's got to compile 12 things. Why? It's because of the header, I guess. It's going to get to like 9 or 10, and it's going to be like, nope, I failed. Come on, you can do it. Yeah, I failed. Great. This is such garbage. What the hell? So there's no good information anywhere about this. Awesome possum. UE4 C++ declare widget variable. Okay, so I have to do it like this. Is that enough? Is that enough? Doubt it, but we'll see if this works. My God. What is wrong? This is so frustrating. I don't understand it. Like, it's so easy to do this in blueprints. Why is the C++ so confusing? Nope. Great. So that's useless. This is so garbage. I don't understand why it doesn't work. Does this make a difference anywhere? Probably not. Okay, so that worked. Okay, so it can't be a U property? Is that what it is? I don't know. Let's just see if it shows up. So we have our player character. Well, of course it's not going to be anywhere. What do I call it? No, nothing. Okay. And then what was the remaining part of it? Let me just see if that makes a difference. I think it's still going to give you a compile error. Oh my God. E4 C++ widget property. I hate this bug. No, that's nothing. This is all garbage. Okay. Nope. U4 C++. Add widget to screen, right? That's what I need. Controlling editor widgets with C++. Does this give me anything? That's a message. Message, debug message. Okay, whatever. Blah, blah. Nope. That tells me nothing. Yeah, create widget and add to viewport. This is what I need, and it doesn't. You create class widget. I need to make this bigger for you guys. That doesn't help. Everything's in blueprints. I don't want to do this in blueprints. I want to learn how to do it in C++. So game dev TV. Okay. Okay, do I need to do it like that? Oops. So get rid of this. And then in our constructor, we can remove that. So what is our hero dev? Whoops. Hero dev, hero content. So that's hero UI, hero debug. No. Oh my god, I don't need a shortcut. So after content, and then what is it? The name of the file. Okay. And it's a thing after that. Yeah, okay. This is in the same area? Yeah. So hero debug menu finder. Hero debug menu. And then I guess we could do this, right? This goes into our function. So user widget, hero debug menu equals new user widget, and then the class. Which one's the class based on this documentation? Okay. It's the second thing. We'll name this class as well. Where are we? Okay. Okay, so that has to be in the same function. So you may not want to blah, blah, blah. You can replace the template. Okay. Does it have the full code anywhere? No, of course not. Okay. Can I just throw it all into that function? And then I guess we could do if hero debug menu class. Oops. And then let's write a UE log. Log temp, warning, text. Widget exists. Let's see if this even compiles. That's the next concern. Oh my god. Okay. What's the problem? Okay, we can get rid of that. There's probably going to be another error, but we'll see. Oh my god. The given owning object is not of a supported type for use with the create widget. Where is create widget? Because did I write create widget anywhere? Okay. Get game instance. Am I doing anything with static classes anymore? No. This is incredibly difficult for no reason. Like, where are you getting this linking problem? Like, I don't understand. So player UI. This is so difficult. So create widget, user widget, and game instance, the class. Oh my god. Why is this so difficult? Like, it's so dumb how easy it is in Blueprint to do this. But in C++, no. We're going to make it very difficult. And these errors don't mean anything to me. I don't understand. So the source file that contains this definition of the symbol. What do I need? Because I'm pretty sure I have the header file. And this documentation seems to fail to not tell me what includes I need. Okay, so I need this. Okay, let's see if this is what I need. Do I have construction helpers in here? No. Oh my god. I doubt if I copy and paste this into Google, I'm going to get any information that'll help. Okay, so I literally need to include UMG and Slate Core. Oh my god. Let's see. Oh my god. Dios mío. Now it works. Okay. I'll accept it. Okay, and if I hit home, okay, so it breaks. So it can't be used outside of constructor. Okay. So let's do this again. Now that we included the header, the information in our build. How do we want to do this? Okay, so let's nuke that. Let's go into protected. Then this. So edit anywhere, blueprint, read write, I guess is fine. Now we could just do blueprint read only. Hero debug menu. Widget. Oops. Does this compile? Let's see. How many people are we watching? No one. Well, just one person, I guess. Do we have it? Okay. So it's under the category test, which I don't want right now, but we'll leave it alone. Okay. Character. Tests. Yes. Okay. So we have that. Let's change it under to hero debug. Can I please get there? Yeah. Okay, so now what do I need to do now? So under begin play, okay, we don't need all of that, but we can just push this all into our function. Where is it? Here it is. Okay, so if, I believe it is this first, and then this is here. Okay. Maybe that will work. Hello. B show mouse cursor is not a thing that exists. Okay, so first this needs to be get game instance. And then I gotta do what? Get play. Okay, let's just do get player controller. Or is it just get controller? Dot B show mouse cursor. It's true. What do I have to do? Is it dot? Okay, which file is he in? Okay, so we have to include player controller. I thought I did. Yeah, controller. Interesting. Do I have my own controller? Maybe that's not why. A player controller equals get player controller, or just get controller. Is there a better function for that? Get player state. Is it like get owning? No. Okay. New tab. UE4. C++. Get controller from character, I guess. Let's see if this is any better. U gameplay statics. Maybe I guess it is better to do this into the player controller, not the character. Oy vey. Okay. Controller.h. Let's nuke that out. Under protected. Okay. Then private. Okay. Then let's see. C++, we can just grab that. Now the controller.cpp, we can add that. And then what is this line. So just B show mouse cursor equals true. All right, let's forget about the mouse cursor for right now. Okay. And then so that's the controller, good. CPP, we need to get. No, we don't need to do that. I think everything's clean, right? Oh yeah, we gotta do the controller. And then we gotta include the widget. Let's take those out. Add them in here. Okay. Let's just see if that does anything. It failed. Awesome. So show hero debug, but where is this? Okay, can I do a hero player controller? Can I include that? Hero. Okay, do I need to do something like that? Player, no, player controller. So it's inaccessible, so that means we need to make it public. Okay. So I guess let's make it private again. Let's just hold our horses there. Then we'll do another one, private. Void show hero debug menu. And then we gotta just declare that function, but we also need to call it, so we can just do something like this. A hero player character. Okay. Then I just call that, make a function. Open there. Then we can say a hero player controller equals get controller. Do I have to do a cast or something? Okay, and then we could just do if controller I gotta make it protected, I think, which is where it should be protected. Show hero debug. Let's just see what happens when I compile that. Hopefully it's okay. Ugh. Okay, so guess it has to be public. So we spent like almost 2 hours trying to get this to work. I don't know if it's gonna work. Okay, so I can't name that controller. Okay. Hero controller. Has no member. Alright, let's just take it one thing at a time. Okay, so that technically worked. Okay, so let's go into controller. Debug. Hero debug menu. Okay, so that worked. So we have our text block and we have everything there. So now we need to show the mouse cursor. I don't like how that's red, but whatever. B. So is there no like variable for that I can access? B show mouse cursor equals true. Let's see if that does anything for us. So we have that, and we have the mouse cursor, and we can close, and it goes away. But we gotta change the editor mode, or the viewport mode, something like that. So we don't need that anymore. Don't need that anymore. No. No. Nope. Does this one give me any information? Yeah, input mode. Okay. Probably can copy that. We can go into our code. Probably just paste it. Set widget to focus. No. Does it have to be this one? No. Okay. What is this asking me for? So I think we can just literally do that. That's the only thing that's giving us a problem. What is that? So is that like a take widget? Okay. Do something like this. Dot get widget. Take widget. And then I suppose something like that, right? Is that better? Nope. What's wrong? Is it this line? No. No matching token. Oh. Let's see if that'll do the trick. Yes. Okay. Boom. So we close out of the widget. Okay. So let's put this back where we wanted it. Hero debug menu. Anchor it 0.5, 0.5, 0, 0. Size the content 40. So that's good. Now when it's closed, is there like input mode? Okay, do we have a get controller here? Get player controller. So we open it, we got hero debug menu and close it, and we're back. Okay, and we also want to show mouse cursor to false. We'll need to translate this back to C++, I think. But we'll worry about that later. Okay, so that doesn't do anything. Is anything for focus? Oh, I gotta make it false. Okay. I'm stupid. Okay. So we got debug menu, close it, boom. Okay, so we're back in business. Okay. That was a lot of time to figure out that. That was upsetting. Let me go back to my hero abilities real quick. Okay. Sprint, we'll go to sprint. Let's make, we're not going to be streaming much longer. So the debug menu is not, I think the hard part is almost over. We gotta do some other hard things. I think we gotta make our own user widget class. We gotta reparent it, and I think we gotta bind buttons for the close button, so it would do everything in C++, and then we can do some of the more heavy lifting stuff in Blueprint, and if we can translate it to C++. So let's just make some tests. Testability. So that's okay. We can just do something like that. We don't, yeah, we could do both, I suppose. So ability 1, success. And then ability 1 end. Copy paste that. Let's rename it as 1. I'm not connected to source control. Let me do that. Yes, okay. Mark for add. So we can do a duplicate. Yeah, testability 2 is fine. How do I get to the graph? Where did the graph go? Okay, interesting. Gameplay ability graph. Where is that? Thank you. Oh, I'm pressing F2. Okay. I'm a mess today, huh? So ability 2. That should be kosher. Okay. 3. Block 3. Ability 3. Okay. So we have our test abilities, and we can just add them. So ability 1, test ability 1, 2, 2, 3, and 3. So now, in theory, let me just make sure this is checked out. All these are checked out. Okay. So now if I press 1, ability 1 success. Success. Okay, perfect. I just need to call end ability. That would help. Okay. So try that again. Success and end, success and end. Okay. So basically what the goal is with this debug menu, we'll do it at a later time, maybe tomorrow or later in the week, but I want to be able to, press home and, have there be like a drop down menu or something where I can just say, hey, test ability 1 will go to ability 1's input slot, 2 will go to 2, 3 will go to 3, or I can mismatch and just do whatever I want. I want to see if I can get that working. So far we got something going. Kind of upsetting how long it took to figure out how to get the widget to go on screen because of the linker and not having the right information in our build.cs file, but I guess, you live and learn. So I'm going to end the stream here. Thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't already, make sure to follow me on Twitch. Link will be in the description on the YouTube channel when this is uploaded. Also, feel free to subscribe to the YouTube channel as well, and join the Discord server. There's some good people there learning about the gameplay ability system along with me. Feel free to ask any questions or suggestions or ways I can improve things there. And I'll see you in the next stream. See ya.